Domino's Pizza, a name synonymous with quick and tasty pizzas, is redefining the delivery game with their latest Domino's DXB launch, an electric bike specially designed for pizza delivery. This isn't just any delivery bike, it's a futuristic solution to a problem as old as the pizza delivery industry itself: how to keep pizzas oven fresh en route to customers. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it arrive not just hot, but oven hot. That's the promise of the DXB. With its integrated mobile oven, this e-bike ensures that pizzas remain tantalizingly warm from the oven to your doorstep. This ingenious feature could mean the end of lukewarm, soggy pizzas that have suffered the indignities of traffic jams and long delivery routes. But the DXB isn't just about keeping pizzas hot, it's also about delivering them safely. Navigating through urban landscapes can be challenging, especially over rough terrains or up and down curbs. Here's where the DXB's so-called space-age suspension comes into play. This advanced suspension system, reportedly reducing G-forces by up to 67%, promises a smooth ride for both the delivery person and the pizza. Your pizza arrives not just hot, but also perfectly intact, as if it's just been sliced on the kitchen counter. Aside from these innovations, the DXB remains a practical e-bike at its core, equipped with 20-inch wheels and a battery pack integrated into the down tube. It's tailored for city use, agile enough to zip through traffic and efficient in its energy use. While the full specs of its motor and range remain under wraps, what's clear is that the DXB is designed for efficiency and convenience. However, not everyone will get to experience this hot-wheeled delivery service. The DXB is set to hit the roads in Domino's Pizza Enterprises, or DPE markets, excluding the United States. DPE's reach spans across countries like Australia, New Zealand, and several European and Asian nations. It's a glimpse into the future of food delivery, one where technology meets the love for a hot slice of pizza. This innovation from Domino's could set a new standard in the food delivery industry, especially in urban areas where speed and efficiency are important.